Hello and welcome to day 15 of Christmas Planning Made Easy. So yesterday I did a big clean of the lounge, which is our main room, and I'll link to that video here in case you haven't seen it. Today it's the day we're actually going to put our decorations, our Christmas tree up. I say we, my 13-year-old is going to take charge. He's the one he's volunteered to put the tree up, etc. I might help a little bit, you never know. We don't have any little ones anymore, so I guess our style has changed a little bit, but we will put a tree up, we will put some decorations up. We always have an illuminated Father Christmas who's probably seen better days, but he's been around since the children were little, and that's our decoration we always put to go. We put it inside, but it kind of lights up the windows to outside. And yeah, I haven't been feeling particularly festive today, even though I knew we were going to be doing this. So I'm trying to get in the mood. I've had some mince pies, and my husband's put on some Christmas TV for us, so we'll have some TV on in the background or some Christmas music while we're doing it. I'll get one of my my scented candles going. I've got to do my advent calendar scented candle for today, and maybe there'll be some mulled wine later on as well, and perhaps a Christmas film this evening. I think once we've got the decorations up, I look forward to sort of sitting down and just enjoying them, and knowing that if we have visitors round, then I will kind of feel ready for them. At least they can come into this room, be nice and clean and decorated and looking a little bit festive. In line with my plan for this year, I'm hoping to keep the decorations reasonably simple. If you haven't already got your decorations up, then please feel free to join me on this mission, and let me know in the comments below whether you've put them up, whether you're somebody who does it really early or whether you tend to leave it a little bit later like us, and whether you're going to keep it simple or whether you like to go all out and have an amazing display. Whichever way it is, I'd love to hear from you, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye!